Hello, friends! Tables are an integral part of research content. By the way, do you know which capitalization style should be used in the table body as per the APA 7th edition? Let's try to find this out with the help of an MCQ. Which capitalization style should be used when writing table entries in the APA style? See this table below. In this, all the column headings and the rest of the table entries written in words are hidden. Now you have to guess as to which capitalization style has been used to write them. First option is the title case. Second option is the sentence case. And the last option says headings in the title case and the rest of the table in the sentence case. Now just pause and think as to which of these options is correct. You have 10 seconds to think. So, the correct answer is the second option, that is, the sentence case. Now see the table. As per the APA style, all the entries in the table body, including the headings, should be written in the sentence case. In the sentence case, only the first word of a sentence is capitalized. Like in this table, see the headings. Only the first word is capitalized. Similarly, see the entries in the first column. Only the first word is written in capital letters. The rest are written in lowercase letters. Okay, understood? Thanks for watching, and kindly like if you have learned something new. Share with your similar friends. Subscribe to learn a new nuance every Sunday. Test your learning through an MCQ every Wednesday. And comment about the video and what more you want to learn. All the best and happy learning.